Hey, check this little bargain out. We managed to pick up this KIRKTON House desk lamp from the Aldi store, which is a shopping store here in the UK. And you know what? We got it at a special low price. It was in a bargain bin for only £12. Woo! The usual price, I'm on about £25 as I'm aware. Now this particular desk lamp is advertised as having a wireless charging station built in. Not only that, on the front of the box it says, creates the perfect ambience with 3 colour modes and 5 brightness levels. Ooh. When we flip it to the rear, you'll also notice the lamp is indeed also bendable. Thank you, Aldi, for a nice little table lamp. Now, let's open the box. Inside, everything comes very well protected. And as well as the table lamp, we've also got a little warranty card that you must fill in and send off, yes. And an instruction manual. Oh, it's got touch features, nice. So what's in this box then? Ah, okay. Looks like we've got our UK power adapter. Nice. Let's take off the plastic. Whoa. Hang on a sec. Can you actually see the size of this? Look at that. Wow. Now that is one big table lamp. So yes, indeed, it is bendable. At the bottom, you've got these 4 rubber-coated feet, just so it sits nice and snug on the table. Snug. One thing I actually really do like is the materials that I've used. A nice, smooth, matte black plastic shell with a rubberized, I would say, hinge. And with the power port sitting to the rear. So there's that DC 12-volt input. Okay, so hopefully the cable is reached. Let's plug it in. Right, let's turn it on. And there you go. Okay, let's turn the brightness down on the camera. That's more like it. And it looks like we've got 2 strips of LED beads. That's more like it, LED. So as I just twist this light to show you guys the brightness levels, you've got on the touchpad just here, we've got the brightness levels. You can go up and down. We've got a mode selection button, so we can turn it into pure white lights. We've got those super white LED beads. At this present moment, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18, 24 LED beads illuminated. We can change that to super sun-kissed yellow. Or in fact, we've got a super brightness level. Let's turn it up a bit. Wow, actually, how many is there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48 LED beads. Again, we've got a combination of white beads and yellow sun-kissed beads. So we're going to energy save and we're going to keep it on super bright white for the time being. What is this? So it's number 1, which is the timer button. Fucking car. Get a better car where you can't use a shit loud exhaust on a piece of shit. Number 1. Okay, it's a countdown key. So the light will switch off after 40 minutes when pressed. So it's off, turn it on. We press that once. The light should now go off after 40 minutes. So yeah, the functions and features, not too bad. But will the wireless charging plate really work? Ah, indeed it does. But how fast does it charge? Now, normally when a Type-C charge cable is indeed plugged into my mobile phone, it takes around 2 hours to fully charge it. This one here is saying, 3 hours 15 minutes. And that is with 26% of my battery life already remaining. I mean, it's not too bad, but for an all-in-one desk lamp that will charge your phone with touch features and a timer, you really can't go wrong, especially if you manage to find one of these like I did this week. So yeah, if you want to check out the Aldi store yourself and see what brand new gadgets they've got in there, you know, good little bargains in the bargain bins, go to your local store just now. You just might get one quick. But if you have indeed liked this very quick review and you want to see more unique tech reviews, well, stay tuned to this channel and subscribe, will ya? And don't you forget, make sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, this is a fascinating light I'm going to place next to my bed just now. If you want to check out some of our previous reviews showing on screen just now, there you go. And I hope to see you guys on our very next video coming very soon. Yeah.